Hello and welcome to another tutorial from AKCP. Today we're going to be having a look at the video recording inside of securityServer and how you actually set up the recording policies in order to view the video and play it back. So here we are in the as you can see on our desktop, we have our cameras tab, and we have two video feeds here which are live video feeds at the moment of the production facility here. And what we want to do is we actually want to record this video and then we want to be able to play back this video. Now at the moment, you see we can't do that. We need to actually go through some steps in order to be able to do that. Now if I go up to the top here and go to View, Playback, Add Playback, you can see that we now get our video playback window. However, in this scroll bar on the right hand side, which I can scroll through, you can see that there is no video in here at the moment, so there is nothing to view. So what we need to do is we need to actually add our video playback preferences and our recording policies and set that up. So let's go ahead and we'll do that now. So we'll go to the cameras tab, we're going to go to View, and we're going to go to Video Recording. And this gives us a new page. We have our summary of our policies, we have our recording policies and our archive policies. And the one that we want to go to is Recording Policies. Once we've clicked on this tab, you can see that the tab highlights, and we now get some options on the right hand side, and we want to go to Create. Once we click the Create button, we now get our recording policy wizard that comes up, and we can choose to name our recording policy anything that we like. So let's name this production camera. And now what we need to do is we need to go to our we need to choose our directory in which we want to record to. So we'll go to Browse and we'll click C and then go to OK. Now underneath here we have our maximum size, and we can choose here, we can choose 99, 100, and again just keep noticing that as I'm doing things here you can see that the help window in the bottom changes. So if there's anything here that you're not particularly sure what it does, just refer down to the help window in the bottom left hand corner and it will show you. So in this instance the maximum size, you can see that it says that you specify the maximum file size for your recorded video in the record directory. Make sure that you have enough free space, click on the up or down arrows to increase or decrease the size value, and choose the unit from the drop down list. So we're going to go to 100, and then we can have megabytes or gigabytes. We're going to go to megabytes. Then you have the option here to do not record items to this directory, and we can also remove the old items. We're going to leave it exactly as it is like that, and we're going to skip forward and click next. Okay, so now what we need to do on here is we need to choose our cameras which we want to add. So in this one we'll just select video 1, and then we'll click the little arrow button in the middle here. And now you can see that video 1 has gone from the available cameras to the selected cameras box. Once we've done that, we'll go forward and click next. Now we can choose when we want to record the videos. We can either choose to record the video always or on an event. So if you have a camera tied into a motion detector, you can choose the video to automatically record when the motion detector is activated. However, in this instance we're going to just choose always, and we're going to go next. Now we can enter the frame rate per second. Now at the moment it's at 10, however I'm going to ramp this up all the way to 30 frames per second, which will give us a really nice video playback. And then we'll go forward and click next. And now we've finished. That's pretty much it. So we'll click finish, and there we are. We now have a production camera, and if we go to the playback window we can add our video 1. Okay, and there you go. You can see that we now have in the scrub bar here we have the video 1, and we also have the motion detector on video 1. Now at the moment you can see that there is no video that is shown in this black box, and that's because it hasn't recorded the video yet. We're still waiting. You can see that it's recording at the moment every 10 minutes, so let's just change that down to 1 minute, and you can see that the scrub bar changes. Once the video has recorded enough footage for us to scrub backwards and forwards through, we'll be able to do that, and you'll be able to view the recorded video. Very, very easy. So there you go.